P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Sergeant Bob Witherall has asked if the network of traffic cameras covering the motorway can be of any help. But so far, it's not looking good.
I've checked with traffic wheel this morning. It's between two cameras. The one camera is pointing the one way and the other camera is pointing the other way, so it's right in the blind spot of this, so it hasn't captured anything.
There's obviously that. Fire brigade have taken the roof off, but that door was there naturally. It was the impact of the wall that's taken the door off. If there were a passenger in that seat, they would have taken the brunt of the impact.
This is Badger Iron Heart. Oh, it's another 5.2%. This one's a risky one. Head on that, okay. It smells like it could be another one. Yeah, one off. Oh. I like to have a long session, but this one might be another one which, if something once, that's enough.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, well, if you think she looks that bad on television, imagine what she looks like sitting 2 feet away from you. I was gonna gag at one point.
It's a particular aroma that I kind of like, but I can't identify it.
Put me out of my misery. You think I'm kidding? I'll do it myself. Yeah, Thompson won't know until the morning. But he thinks the ratings are gonna go up. He finally figured out the formula for success. Faceless victims and
You do that? Is it particular taste? I think this one will probably suck once. Try it.
Right. Sup once, is it?
Yeah, I think this one will suck once and then you'll go.
What we'll call it?
This is a Badger Iron Heart. But do they? But you for your nose now.
Yeah.
No, for your nose. Not breathe in, breathe out. It's more pleasant, but I don't think I'll swap it again. I think below the 5%. And my golden rule from now is, if I get any more beers in bottles, is stick to below 5%. You know, between 3.4 and 5. Anything above 5, it's persona non grata. Especially with those fruity ales. I was just astonished how many were about between 7 and 8%. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it glass?
And that's it.